First delete the cube, then add an icosphere. Now click down here, and increase the subdivisions to 4. Then add a subsurf modifier. And select Apply. Now in Edit mode, select any of the central vertices. Press Shift plus G, and select Amount of connecting edges. Now right-click, and select Dissolve Vertices. Since all the vertices has not been dissolved, select one of the vertex. And repeat the procedure. Now press A to select all, and press X, and select Limited Dissolve, to remove unnecessary vertices. Now press I twice, to inset the faces. Then click down below, and decrease the depth value a little. Now go to Object mode, and add a subsurf modifier again. And increase the render and viewport value.